Yeah. Whoa, shit. Woohoo! I got that on film.
No, you did not.
I did.
Oh. Still got him.
Yeah. He's right in beside you now. Now there's a dedicated fly fisherman. Except he forgot his fly rod.
You better get a picture of this sucker.
He's coming to life now.
That's a typical Gordon Steely though, skinny.
Look at he's got something on his nose.
Okay, camera ready?
Yeah, I'm shooting a film.
Oh! So the water temperature is 40. We're upstanding. Oh, right in the nut. Alright, hang on. This guy's excited.
He's got a thick scar on the end of his nose there.
There we go.
Yeah.
Skinny guy, but
He's been in for a while.